Okay, now that it's illuminated, it's part 2 of the video. Boop. Oh, the Dark Knight returns. Except for I got LEDs in my engine bay. And yes, it's my V6. Got a little Honda going on here. Little mean green Honda machine. Somebody's over there roasting tires. Carbon fiber hood. Little matte black truck. Nice little pinstripe. Like that. GTO.
They're 17. These are feet as fuck. 17. I went 17 by 10 instead of the. These are 18 by 9.5. But 17 by 10. I mean, they're XXR for now, and I'm getting cosmetics as soon as I. These will both on my
Carl. Yeah, crap. Never mind. I thought he was leaving. GTO. Nice wheels. Yeah, it's a GTO. You've seen one before. Whatever. The Genesis 2.0 turbo. Boo. 1.8 turbo. Zip.
Yeah, glow sticks? Yeah. Over distance, dude. Look at that new underglow. Kevin, what is that? Underglow, dude.
Excuse me.
Yes!
Oh, yeah. Hey, I got a tape to put them on together. Tony!
Reminds me of a banana pop. That paint reminds me of a banana pop right there.
Yeah, I did.
And the car that I've been waiting for. Yeah, you see it. Probably one of the most beautiful cars out here.
Let's go. What a late ass response. Hey. What is that, 302?
Yes, the steering wheel is on the other side. Gosh dang it. Now you can see it. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mustang.
I have to put it on both so I get back here.
Is that a freaking party horn?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
I've seen so many videos with the duck calls.
Yeah.
Angry duck.
Call my exhaust once, dude. And it sounded good for a little while until it melted.
Probably gotta hit it hard for it to do anything.
I don't get rid of everything. All the power shit, all that shit. Same old motor.
Did it light it on fire? Or was that just a reflection?
They're like blowing fucking.
Oh, the little
Yeah, we went to the
party blowers.
We went to Walmart and bought them out. Oh, pissed off. Fucking kids.
That's my old reason.
Actually, I think it should come through.
Same motor.
No, this thing is scared.
That's pretty fun.
This is pretty funny.
That's pretty funny as shit. There it is.
That's way more insane.
You gotta ease into it.
Let's see, we got pretty boy swag over here. SRT8. Big ass, heavy wheels. Weighing the car down. Got a nice little S2000. Domo Kun. What's up? Making a YouTube video tonight.
Well, it's all good. Get close up on this roll bar.
This JDM has
Covered in.
Fuck chili.
Oh no. Chili. What can I take out of yours and put it in mine?
And this thing is nice. Oh, let's get a close up of this thingy. Gotta hurry up, my battery's dying. It's not cool. BRZ. So you know it's a Subaru. Oh, those wheels. They look blue in the video, but they're actually purple.
Hey guys, I'm just going to turbo set up. Idea. Could you guys help me out? They laughed at him, said it's impossible. We bought 2 eBay turbo kits, slapped them on there, beat the Blosh race car. He has custom turbos in that car now that nobody else has because Blosh was like, oh, you beat us.
Wait, this is an eBay turbo kit?
No.
No.
Oh, I was about to say.
It's on another car.
I was like, what the fuck?
This kid was mine.
Because a lot of people, they down talk eBay turbo kits, but they're actually kind of good.
Yeah, this one cost some money. I wouldn't fucking do that.
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Hello. Hey, babe. Still at this car meet.